Peace morning, everyone. Today I am just exercising, guys. I'm walking. Walking. I'm riding my bike in the house because it's very cold outside, guys. Cold outside, so I put my heater on and then I ride my bike here, di ba? Galing ng exercise natin, guys. Nagpawisan na rin ako. The desert will I see. Oh, God will make a way. He will be my God. Ganda sa pakiramdam, guys. Okay. So now, next step. Mag-set up. Set up ako ng diba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hanggang 10 lang talaga ako mag-set up, guys. Ayan. Tapos, pagkatapos na mag-exercise.